Now, from the KQ2 Weather Desk, your KQ2 Local Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso, sponsored by East Ridge Car Wash.
I would love to say we are leaving this cold, snowy weather behind us, but unfortunately, Vanessa, it sounds like this is just the beginning.
Yeah, Courtney, yesterday's system brought us anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of snow across northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. And behind it, we are dealing with a cold blast of Arctic air, and that's going to be the pattern for our Thursday. Now, temperatures are set to rebound back up into the 30s for our Friday, but don't get too comfortable with it because as we head into the weekend, we're going to have additional chances for some light snow, and then a bigger system will be moving in here heading into early next week, and the Arctic air will be making a comeback in a big way. You're not going to like the 7-day forecast that I'll have for you coming up in just a bit. But this morning we are waking up to cold weather advisories across northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas due to the wind chills. That's going to make it feel like anywhere between 10 to 15 degrees below zero. In these conditions, frostbite or hypothermia could kick in a matter of minutes. So I always tell you during this cold snap, make sure you have the 3 L's. The layers, the hats, the gloves, the scarves, the coats, the jackets, liquids. Drink lots of water because you actually need to stay hydrated during these cold temperatures, and always have body creams and body lotions on you, especially the hand lotion. That really does help a lot with that dry skin. I know Courtney always has her hand lotion ready for these cold days, and we're going to need all of this over the next week or so. Right now this morning, we are waking up to mostly clear skies on our satellite and radar as high pressure is taking over the Midwest. So as we head into the day today, I'm not expecting much in terms of the weather because the high pressure is going to keep us clear, but it's also going to keep us cold out ahead of it with those northerly winds. Here is a live shot from our tower camera looking off to the south and to the east as daylight's starting to peek through, but you can see those roads on Fairlawn and on Woodbine Road snow covered a little bit and slick this morning. So allow for these crews to clean up the roads properly. Just allow for some extra travel time as you head out the door, and warm up those cars for a bit too, because we are waking up to the single digits to below zero air temperatures alone. Again, those wind chills are going to make it feel like 10 to 15 degrees below zero throughout the morning. Today, temperatures are going to be struggling to get out of the teens, even though we're going to have the sunshine. Those winds will eventually start switching up to the south, but again, those northerly winds, it's what's going to help keep that cold air around. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, high pressure is going to be the dominant feature in our weather today into tomorrow morning. Then we're going to get a little disturbance pushing through the region. It may bring us a couple of light snow showers, but I don't think it's going to amount to much. I think the models are kind of exaggerating tomorrow's event. It's going to be more Sunday's event that we're going to need to keep an eye on because it's going to start off as rain, then eventually transition into snow on Saturday as colder air is going to be filtering into the region behind a cold front. Let's bring this closer to home in your hour-by-hour forecast. For tomorrow, this little disturbance again could bring us a quick burst of some light snow, but I think the models are over-exaggerating with this system. It's going to be more Saturday when we start seeing a little bit of rain and then a possible rain-snow mix as we head into Saturday. This is going to bring light accumulations to the region, but we're going to have another blast of cold air moving in heading into Sunday. So for today, 19 for the high, and in your 7-day forecast, another chance of snow Monday into Tuesday, Courtney, and the cold air isn't going anywhere anytime soon next week.
And we'll be right back.